Listen, you are not a true worshiper if only your mouth participates in worship. When it has to do with worship, every part of you, it said, bless the Lord. Talk to me, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Everything within you can bless his name. Your heart can bless his name. Your intellect can bless his name. Your body can bless his name. Ask the woman with the alabaster box. She broke the box and used her hair. Her hair participated in the worship. You are not truly blessing the Lord if only your voice is blessing him. That is an audition you are doing in his presence. But when it becomes true worship, sometimes your knees need to participate. Your hands lifted to him, participating. Your mouth, your tears, every part of you. Sometimes all of you is flat before him. What you are saying is, from my head to my toe, everything within me worships you. Do you know what? Let me tell you this. When you worship God with your body, your pain will be forced to worship him. The sickness in that body will be forced to worship. Because when you bow, everything in you bows, and then it now becomes his responsibility to ask pain, what are you doing here? To ask trouble, what are you doing here? When you carry your certificate and your bills, your problems, and lay it down and bow before him. Do you believe what you are hearing? Most times we use our mouth to bow before him. Then we leave our problems. Then when we are done, we go and carry them. I will never worship God alone. Whatever finds its way to my life, good or bad, you must join me. Trouble for you when I'm worshiping God. You must join me. Next time, we're about to worship for a few minutes. I'll carry those bills, carry those troubles, carry whatever issue. You can't be bowing and pain will wait outside. You can't be, if you came to my life, then you must worship my God. Whatever brought you to my life must join in worship. Say, I will worship. Say, I will sing. Say, I will praise. Join in worship. Because in heaven, I don't see anything that was exempted from worshiping. As soon as the elders say, holy, 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 the Bible says, if the elders take their golden crown, but the elders and every other entity in heaven bows. If heaven bows, what on earth should not bow? Tonight you will force sickness to bow. You will force trouble to bow. Who believes that? Let me tell you the truth. Even with King Nebuchadnezzar, there were consequences for not bowing before a king. So if sickness does not bow, since Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were thrown into fire, whatever does not bow before King Jesus, there should be consequences. Are we together now? Even before an earthly king, whoever did not bow, do you know what happened? Fire was the result of not bowing. So anything that will not bow tonight, but this time is not 7 times hotter. No, no sir, no sir. Who is learning this now? Believe what I'm telling you. You have to be angry with your spirit. Most of us, you just sing songs that don't bless you. It's not out of revelation. I'm sharing with you my orientation in worship. I don't just sing songs. I know they are weapons of victory. When I'm bowing, everything God gave me bows. Whatever the devil brought must join to bow too. Because we're bowing before the king. Not one of them. The king. Come on now. The king. The king. Sarkin Sarakuna Yana na Yana Sarkin Sarakuna Yana na Sarkin Sarakuna Yana na Yana na Sarkin Sarakuna. In 1 minute before we continue, I'd like you to just take one song of worship. Find a song. Don't tell me I'm not a musician. It's only your mouth that sings. Your feet can worship without singing. I'd like you to just raise a song of worship. I exalt you, O God. Maybe you will sing it in your language. Yoruba is fine, Igbo is fine, Hausa is fine, Chinese is fine, Latino is fine. Come on now, English is fine. By all godly means, worship him, King of kings and Lord of lords.